Hello, you are watching my YouTube channel Dr. Pandit Acharya Mithun Shastri. Okay, so today I am going to talk about quick money. Look, everybody in this world is seeking money because without money there is no honey. The taste of life is required, and to require the taste of the honey life in one's life, everybody should require money. So, without getting late, without getting elaborate discussion here, I am providing a switch number to earn quick money. What is the switch number? The switch number is here 919793. Again, I repeat. Again, no repeat. Again, I am speaking. 919793. You have to do 61 days with the help of the blue ink on the left portion. Does not matter what is the limbs you choose. Any parts of your body on the left portion, you can write down the switch number to receive quickly money, to earn quick money. So without getting late, why are you sitting and why you are observing this? The video is ended here. Do it and continuously, whatever the times I have already mentioned. Initiate this and get the bliss coming out from this switch number. Okay. Hope to see you again. Until then, goodbye.